18 years or older? And do you live on Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, Saba, St. Eustatius or St. Maarten? Then the big live nature quiz is the perfect event for you. Join the free online and interactive quiz on Friday, July the 2nd at 6 p.m. Grab a drink, woo! Oh! And of course a snack, yeah! A smart device and your mobile phone and you're all set. First prize is a sailing and snorkeling trip around your beautiful island. Talk about fun! Woo! In the sun! Sign up today in groups from 1 to 4 and get ready to score! See you